Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a product and start selling it online. Even if you're starting from scratch, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Find a problem. Every successful product solves a problem, so start by asking, what do people struggle with? Look at your own life online forums or social media comments. The goal is simple: find a specific problem that people are already trying to solve. For example, if people complain about not having time to cook, that could lead to a product like quick recipe guides or meal prep kits. Step 2. Create a simple product. Step 3. Validate your idea. Before going all in, make sure people actually want your product. You can do this by asking for feedback, running a small pre-sale posting about it online, and measuring interest if people are willing to pay. You're on the right track. Now it's time to sell. You don't need anything complicated. Use simple platforms too. Create a product page, add pricing, accept payments, make sure your page clearly explains what the product is, who it's for, and how it solves the problem. No traffic means no sales. Start by promoting your product, share content on social media, create short videos, build an audience by providing value, focus on helping people first, sales will follow. To recap, find a problem, create a simple solution, validate it, set up your store, and drive traffic. You don't need a perfect product, you just need to start. If you found this helpful, stick around for more tips on building and growing online businesses. Thank you for watching my video. Click the link below to learn more.